One of the Rolex records. Get the people. Babylon live a mind puzzling. You know it's Raspix and Jeremiah.
None of them not here for the poor. None of them not here for the poor. No, none of them not here for the poor. Long time we are suffer and them see that for sure. The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Poverty knocking at their door. Knocking your door. The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Why you know the truth and ignore?
A long time the bigger it's not come out, yeah. And anytime them come and say I be a joke, yeah. All them good for the war on them look come out, yeah. Where is the promises that we ask for? You never put a foot in the ghetto area. With so many youths dying for hunger. Me still about your lies and your propaganda. For the ghetto youth will need your sponsor.
The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Poverty knocking at their door. Knocking your door. The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Why you know the truth and ignore?
Sing a things rough in the ghetto, tough in the ghetto. The same look who make a muck in the ghetto. Not give up in the ghetto when it hard in the ghetto. Life me a live me carry it hard in the ghetto.
In the ghetto where we grow, pain and separation is all we know. We not no time to hide it, Mr. Big Man stop from abide it. The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Poverty knocking at their door. Knocking your door. The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Why you know the truth and ignore?
You miss a man dead, or you a move so fast while you a access speeded. No remember the poor, you no remember the needed. Your heart for yourself, that mean you're greedy. People believe me, remember the pain and the stress that the ghetto youths are facing. Why you embrace it? And the war and the crime that we see and are rising, and that you support it.
The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Poverty knocking at their door. Knocking your door. The youth them can't take it no more. Take it no more. Take it no more. Why you know the truth and ignore?
A long time the bigger it's not come out, yeah. And anytime them come and say I be a joke, yeah. All them good for the war on them look come out, yeah. Where is the promises that we ask for? You never put a foot in the ghetto area. With so many youths dying for hunger. Me still about your lies and your propaganda. For the ghetto youth will need your sponsor.